Hello everyone, welcome back. This video goes over the new feature updates and improvements in the BoldDesk help desk software. BoldDesk has introduced numerous new features and enhancements to the following modules: activity management, ticketing system, integrations, knowledge base, contact management, reports and analytics, and administration and configuration. Let me show the features based on module categorization. BoldDesk has released a new feature known as the activities. You can use this module for creating tasks, calls, and meetings. All these activities can either be standalone or linked to a ticket or a contact. This module assists in managing your tickets. For example, when multiple teams are collaborating on the resolution of a single common ticket, multiple tasks can be added to the ticket and assigned to different agents. You can also create an activity using the Activities tab on the Ticket Details page. All activities created can be tracked in the Activities module of the global page. Let's look at the ticketing module's feature changes next. First, the new ticket approval feature can be found on the Tickets Details page. Agents can use this to create approval requests within the context of a ticket. To view the overall approval request status based on the assigned or requested by category, navigate to the Approvals module available in the More options below the Admin module. We've also enhanced email actions to improve the email to ticketing functionality. You can now change certain ticket properties, such as the status, assignee, and requester, via email without having to log into the agent portal. It helps you to manage your support requests quickly and easily, even when you're on the go or away from your computer. The next update is changing the default columns for a ticket grid view. When creating or editing a tickets view, you can now select and save the default columns for the grid view. This will help customize the default columns for each ticket view. By doing so, when a specific view is chosen, only the specified columns are displayed in the grid view by default. Additionally, within a particular view, a ticket search option has been added to assist in searching for tickets by ticket title or ID. This will boost productivity and help narrow down the search. The next feature is ignoring email notifications for ticket creation and response. In certain cases, agents might not need to send an email notification for ticket creation or message updates. For this scenario, an option is provided to skip the email notification alert. On enabling the Don't Send an Email option, email notifications will not be sent to agents or customers. Furthermore, no automation will be triggered for that particular event. This option is available when creating a ticket or updating a message. We have also added new operators to the ticket filter to handle relative dates. The Advanced Filters for Date fields has an additional operator to filter records by using relative last or next days, months, or years. Finally, the UI design is improved to better distinguish agent updates in tickets. Let's move on to the global search page for agents. This option can be found by clicking the More option. Agents can use this global search option to search for tickets, contacts, contact groups, and knowledge bases. Next, let's see the updates in the integration module. BoldDesk now supports OneDrive integration, which can be found under the Admin module in the Marketplace area. When the OneDrive integration in the Marketplace module is enabled, users can browse and attach files from it when creating and responding to tickets. In addition, file sharing support for OneDrive, Google Drive, and Dropbox is available in both the Customer Portal and Knowledge Base module. So, now customers can attach files from the aforementioned drives in the Customer Portal when creating or replying to a ticket. Also, agents can attach files to the articles from those drives. Only the enabled file drives will be available for file attachment. Let's now look at the updates to the KB module. In the Customer Portal, a new page has been added to filter articles by tag. This makes it easy to locate relevant articles. When you click a particular tag in the Article Details page, all articles with that tag are paginated and listed. We've also added monitoring of KB concurrent editing. When a user works on and saves an older version of the article, a warning message appears. By reloading the page, the user will get the most recent version of the content to make changes. Next is the Contacts module updates. We now have an option to attach files in Contact and Contact Groups profile pages. Also, provided an option to add external website links like the LinkedIn profile link of contacts in the profile page. Let's now explore the Reports and Analytics module updates. In CSAT Report, results can now be exported to Excel. In the Worklog report, there is an option to export the results of the Worklog report grouped by fields, such as ticket ID, requester, contact group, and created on. Also, the exported file will include a summary of the work that has been logged. In the Agent Performance Dashboard, now an option is provided to view underlying data for the SLA-based metrics. By clicking the count, you can view detailed metrics-related ticket information. Finally, let's take a look at the changes made to the Administration and Configuration module. In the Roles and Permissions page, under the Tickets module, 2 additional permissions for agents have been provided. They are: Create tickets via Agent Portal, Edit CC field. Ticket creation through the Agent Portal and permission to edit the CC field can now be controlled. Finally, we have improved the security of the contact list. In some cases, you may be required to add an external user as an agent. Then, you may want to restrict external agents from viewing the contact or contact group list, even if it is in a dropdown. Now, if the View Contact permission is disabled, the agent will not be able to view the contact list, even in dropdown fields. This way, your data will be more secure. In this video, I showed you the new features and enhancements made to the BoldDesk software across all modules. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.